In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money as a teen online with websites that pay you directly to your PayPal account so you can create an income online on a daily basis. Start from today. If you would like to learn even more ways to create money online, no experience needed, please subscribe to my channel now and click on the bell notification icon, and every time I will publish a brand new content, you will get notified. Let's go to my computer. Okay guys, so the first website is called QMe, where you can share your opinion, shop and search to earn real cash rewards. And cash, not swag or points, like real cash. So you come here, sign up, enter your email, go with the password, and then you can download it to your mobile. Let's see how exactly they are working. Earn when you share your opinions. Take Yumi paid surveys on your laptop or mobile and earn cash rewards. Share your opinions on brands and see your earnings grow daily, like daily. You can do this every day. Start to make money online from home, as you can see. Even actually from anywhere you would like, because you can do it on your mobile. Here they say you can do this for your opinions. You can also earn when you shop. Get money saving coupons and deals on the items you're shopping for to help you save. We also show you price savings. When we find you a better deal, you don't have to go to different sites to compare. With QMe, there is no minimum cash out amount, so you can get your earnings at any times, which is different, guys. Let me show you. Let me tell you, it's different from other sites where you have to reach some sort of minimum amount of earnings to cash out. Here they say there is no minimum. You can start and cash out your earnings like anytime you would like. Earn cash with our specially chosen offers. Whether you're looking to change your internet provider, buy a new phone, or even start enjoying a weekly meal plan, with our handpicked money earner, you'll get a free cash rewards at the same time as doing something you were going to do anyway. So they actually pays for things you are doing anyway on a daily basis. So if you are registered to them, you can start and make money out of it. And it's all online, guys, you can see. And the last thing, it's earn when you search. What does it mean? Earn cash when you search on your favorite sites with a free QMe browse app. Go about your daily searching online and earn cash rewards with QMe results. Simply click on the result that interests you to collect a reward in your piggy bank. And you can see here they are working with very large companies such as Google, eBay, Amazon, Bing, Walmart, etc., Target, and more. Just sign up and you can start and earn money on a daily basis. Start from today. So, the next website called iBota. Look at this. Get cash back with the iBota browser extension. Earn real cash. You can make money online from various ways in this website. You can see them here. And you just shop, browse offer in iBota app before you shop in store, or start with the app when you shop online. Then you earn. Submit your receipts or link your loyalty accounts and watch the cash back roll in. Get real cash back in store and online. You can see here all the stores they are working with and all the retailers where they are working with, where you can shop and earn money back. Now look at this. Here they say use pay with iBota to earn cash back at more places instantly. So if you're downloading their apps to your phone and start paying through them, you can pay directly from the iBota app and get instant cash back on your entire purchase at more than 50 national retailers. It's quick, easy, and secured. You can download the app to your mobile phone and earn money. Here you can see how much they are already paid to their users, and they are still counting. How much can you save? And you can see people very like it. I bought a new freezer to put all the food. I am saving money on it. You can see how people love it. And they have a fully help center. So if you have any question, you can come here and they will answer. Alright, so this is the second one where you can start and make money online today as a teen from your home. So the last website guide called Fiverr. And if you think that because you're a teen, you have nothing to have to offer, let me tell you something, you are very wrong. Here alone, you can see they have like a lot of services offer that people offer, and then other people buy from them in such a various of niches, and you can do the same. It's very easy. Okay, all you need to do is sign in as a seller. This is what your seller page is gonna look like. And then you can start and create all sorts of gigs like I did. For example, let me throw you one example. If you want to start quick, you can do background removal for images with a simple method where you can come here to this website. It's called Remove BG, and you can upload an image, and then this website will remove his background automatically. You don't need to know anything. You don't need to know Photoshop or any sort of photo editing software. So you can offer this service for start, and then you can go on and on with anything you know how to do. So if you have some skills, you can offer your service here and start making money, and a lot of it. For example, it starts from $5, but you will see, let me show you. For example, they have like plans. So basic is 5, standard is 15, and $30 for it's the premium for 100 images, and I can assure you it won't take you more than, I don't know, like 10 minutes to do it. So imagine you do this for 10 minutes, you already earn $30. And if people will buy from you this service like few times a day, imagine what profit you can get only from this website. Now look at this website. It's called Teespring. Commerce not complicated. Teespring is a free end-to-end solution for your e-commerce business. Create and sell online. Actually, what they're doing, they have different kinds of apparel. They have also other stuff, home decor, socks, phone cases, accessories, mugs, and more, where you can come, print your design, and that's it. Actually, only print your design. You don't need to buy the shirt. You don't need to hold it. You don't need to store it anywhere. You just need to come, pick what kind of apparel you would like to print on, and then put your design on. People come in here every day and they do a lot of money online, guys, only using this site alone. Let me show you, for example, here you can see like all the categories they have. So let's for example, this one, animal lovers, which is a very huge niche. You can see here the different kinds of shirts. They are very cute, and if you don't know how to design, it's very simple. You just come to Google, you search for, like, for example, this one with this cute dog, and you can do the same. You just type cute dogs. Then when you go to image, okay, you can come to Google and type cute dogs cartoon, then go to tools, usage rights, and label for use. So every result in here right now you can use as much as you'd like, with no copyrights on it. You can do it whatever you want. So you just come, you can download this one, for example, after it's downloaded to my desktop, I can come here. The next thing that I would like to do is click on start designing. Then you will need to sign up. If it's your first time, I'm already a member, so I just log in and let me show you. Okay, so what you want to do next is click on add image. You pick the one you've downloaded from Google. You can play with it in the editor, make it smaller or bigger, and then in the preview mode they show you how it's gonna look on the product you've picked to design. After you finished, you can set the prices in here. So in this case, it's for phones, so they have like price for every kind of phone, and you can enter what price you like, and here you can see the profit you'll get from this sales. Press continue, and then you're on air. You can start promote it to social media, and after 2 purchases, Teesprings themselves will take your products design and promote them themselves. They have a very smart advertisement program, and after I think then 10 products you're getting purchases on, they will start and promote them. You won't have to do anything. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go down at the bottom and comment. Let me know what part of the video you enjoyed the most. What's your biggest takeout is going to be, and how you're gonna apply it on yourself. Once you've done that, make sure to subscribe to my channel now, because I've got an awesome video coming out soon. And if you click on the bell notification icons right now, I'm going to make sure you won't miss that video, because I'll notify you as soon as it gets published. Bye for now, see ya next time.